Discover how the 8285 microprocessor efficiently transforms instructions into actions, unlocking its core processes for you. To start, we will explore how the microprocessor fetches instructions, much like a library retrieves books. The program counter selects the address, which then goes to the memory unit to fetch the instruction. Building on this idea, let's explore the data bus roles. The instruction travels to the instruction register via the data bus, which functions as a highway for instruction transport. Meanwhile, the instruction register acts like a desk for processing instructions. Now, let's shift to the instruction decoder. Instructions transform into commands as symbols become signals. Think of it as decoding a secret message. Next, we examine how the ALU operates. The ALU executes decoded instructions, performs arithmetic and logical tasks, and processes results for display. Another key point is the instruction cycle essentials. Fetch involves moving instructions to the instruction register. Decode occurs in the instruction decoder, while execution takes place in the ALU. In addition, visual storytelling enhances memory with better recall of processes. Personifying elements can improve story retention, and using exam terms prepares you for tests. This method allows teachers to pause and clarify concepts. As we wrap up, understanding the 8285 instruction cycle provides clarity in microprocessor operations. Thank you for watching.